Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I would like to show you how to make cube steak and peppers. And we're going to put that in some gravy, and have that over some rice. Oh, what you talking about? It is going to be nice. So, I wanted to talk to you about cube steak. It's cheaper to buy cube steak than it is to buy regular steak, even though cube steak is still steak. It's just that they put it through a machine, and the machine puts like little holes in it. I'll show you. See these holes? That's why they call it cube steak, okay? And for some reason or another, they have that cheaper than if you was to buy like a piece of sirloin steak or something like that. And it's more tender. So if you have a problem chewing steak, or you can't buy a better grade of steak so that you don't have to chew a lot, cube steak is it, okay? Alright, so we're going to get started. I'm going to use my Grandma Ray's special seasonings that I have not put out on the market yet, because I'm still testing the waters. Yes, I'm still testing it. So until I perfect it, I'm still testing it. Alright, okay, so give me a second. Let me adjust the camera. We're going to get started. Thank you. And oh yeah, by the way, we can't leave this out. Hit the thumbs up button if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out all of my links below. Okay, I have a $25 giveaway coming up on October 15th. That's for anybody that joined the have given to the GoFundMe or the Patreon that I have on my channel. Okay, the Patreon, I'm asking if you could give $4 a month towards the improvement of this channel, and the same thing for the GoFundMe is the same reason. Okay, and also I have some Amazon links, so go on down there and see if it's something interests you. If not, whatever you want to buy at Amazon, you just hit the link on my channel and you're going over and shop till you drop, okay? Alright, let's cook. Okay, so I have 4 pieces of cube steak that cost $2.50 for 4 pieces, okay? That's a pretty good deal. You cannot buy steak for $2.50, okay? But you can when it comes to cube steak. Alright, and I have my Grandma Ray special seasoning that I am making for the market. So I'm going to use that. You use your seasoning. And I'm going to put that on both sides. I have some olive oil in the frying pan heating up right now. And we're going to start out cooking the red peppers, okay? So I'm going to have my fire like on a medium because I don't want it too high. And let me adjust the camera so that you can see the frying pan. Here we go. Okay, so let's start with the peppers. I'm also going to put my seasonings on the peppers. I'm going to cover that. So that the peppers can cook faster, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out, and we're gonna cook the cube steak, and we'll make the gravy at that point. Okay, give me 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so our red bell peppers are out. As you can see, it still has a nice bright color to it, so that's how you know it's not overcooked. Okay, alright, so now I have some flour that's seasoned with Grandma Ray's seasoning. So we're going to dip the cube steak into the flour on both sides. So you can see where we're going with this, right? And into the frying pan. Same thing. This is the same oil and frying pan that I cooked the pepper steaks in. The only thing I did was took the pepper steaks out, okay? Because we want all of that seasoning that's in the bottom of the pan onto the cube steak. I did not put any more oil. It's the same oil. And you know, I usually just coat the bottom of the pan. I don't have it where it's a large amount of oil at all, because that's not necessary, because you're wasting oil, and also it makes the food saturated with oil, and that's not necessary for the end result. Okay, they're all in, all four. And you don't have to cook cube steak that long, because they're very thin pieces of steak, and they're not tough, so you just really need to brown it on both sides. And remember, we're going to drop it down in gravy, which is going to let it cook a little bit more, right? So remember, when you want to buy some steak, cube steak is your cheapest option. Okay, let me see if it's time to turn over. Not yet. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day is, you know how you could be depressed over the lack of money, and it kind of have you down, your spirits is down, your money's down, you even may hold your head down. Well, when you get some money, your spirits is up, you're talkative, and you're smiling. Well, if that makes you happy, I'm going to suggest that you go get it. Go get you some more money legally so that you can keep those spirits up, okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Go get you some money legally to keep those spirits up, because I like to see you smile. Okay? Alright, let's check on our cube steak and turn it over. Okay, so I'm going to take them out because, like I said, they're going to finish cooking with the, I'm cutting the fire off a minute. They're going to finish cooking in the gravy, okay? So now, let me show you this. See all this that would appear to be burnt, but it's not. It's all the juices from the meat and the flour all together, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour some water in there. And I'm pouring it little by little so that the steam will die down. Once you've covered the bottom of the frying pan, now we're going to take a fork and scrape the bottom. And get all that goodness up. Okay, so let me show you. So you can see how it's made some dark brown broth, right? And most of the goodness that was on the bottom of the frying pan is up now. Okay, so now this is our flavored broth for free. Now we're going to add some brown gravy to that. Let me get my whisk. I'm sorry for reaching over. Oh, come on, Rachel. Open it. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Now we're going to put the gravy in there. Add your gravy a little at a time. Because there's no set amount. Because I don't know how much liquids you have or the size of your frying pan, right? Okay, so now we're going to turn the frying pan back on, and that's going to start thickening up. Have you some water ready, just in case it gets too thick. You can immediately add some water. And mine is getting thick, you see that? So I'm going to add some water. Because remember, we're going to add the cube steak that have flour on it, so that's going to thicken it even more. Okay, now we're going to drop our cube steak back inside the frying pan in that gravy. And if it gets too thick, remember, just add some water, okay? And I'm only going to put half of the red peppers. I'll show you what I'm going to do with the rest. About half. Okay. Yep, it needs some water. It's thickening up. You want the gravy to be, let's see, like what? A little thinner than mashed potatoes, so that you can see it on there. Yep, it's thickening up. Add some more water. You see, I'm adding just a little water at a time. Baby steps. I'm turning it over constantly. Okay, let me get a spoon and show you how thick the gravy is. So you can see it leaves the spoon, but it also coats the spoon. That's about how thick you want it, okay? You see that? Okay, we're going to cut it off. It's done now. So now, I'm going to plate up and with the rice and show you, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here we go. I have a bed of rice and then the cube steak, and then I saved some of the peppers to put on the top as a garnishment. And if we start preparing our meals even at home so that they look appetizing and they look pleasing to the eye, you know, people will enjoy it more. Okay, how about that? You like that? Huh? Pretty cool, right? So let me get a thumbnail on that. No, my head is cut off, Rachel. Here we go. What should we call it? Cube steak with peppers. Or pepper cube steak. Why don't we do that? Pepper cube steak and rice. Okay? Cool. So let me taste it. I'm dying to taste it. So I'm going to get some steak and some pepper and rice. Yes, this is a home run, guys. Remember, don't overcook it. After you cook it 3/4 the way, you're going to stop, take it out, and make your gravy, and then drop it back in the gravy to finish cooking, okay? Wonderful. So until next time, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Check out the links below. Look forward to the drawing for the Patreon and the GoFundMe on the 15th of October. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Okay? Bye-bye.